Always pre-test any cleaning method. We recommend purchasing a slipcover if sharing your chair with others. For questions on cleaning, please contact us at info@conceptseating.com. Alternative leather. For basic maintenance, clean the whole surface in circular motions using liquid hand soap and water. 1 part soap to 9 parts water. Rinse and wipe with clean damp white cloth to get rid of any excess soap. Repeat as needed and then let dry. To disinfect with a bleach solution, use 0.5% concentration, which can be prepared as 1 part bleach per 10 parts of water. Rinse and wipe with a clean, damp, white cloth to get rid of any excess. Allow chair to dry thoroughly. Do not use solvents like paint thinner, Varsol, acetone, whiteners, waxes, silicones, detergents, and/or cleaning products that are not pH neutral. Abrasive cleaning tools such as plastic or wire sponges or hard bristle brushes can permanently damage alternative leather. Never use alcohol. Leather. For black leather, dust with a clean, dry cloth for routine cleaning. For spots and spills, wipe excess liquid immediately and let air dry. If necessary, use lukewarm water and mild soap. Work into a thin lather with a soft cloth. Rinse with clean water and buff to restore luster. A leather cleaner or conditioner may also be used. For all other leather colors, dust with a clean, dry cloth for routine cleaning. Wipe the leather with a clean, damp cloth to remove soil and allow to air dry. Leather conditioners and protectants can be used as directed. Should a spill occur, blot immediately using a clean cloth or paper towel. For a more thorough cleaning, a solution of lukewarm water and a mild cleaner, such as ivory soap or woolite, may be used. Dampen a clean white cloth and gently wipe the affected area using a circular motion. Rinse completely with a clean cloth to ensure all cleaner is removed. Dry with a paper towel or dry cloth and allow to completely air dry. Repeat the cleaning process as needed, allowing the leather to dry between applications. Do not use bleach, ammonia, or any harsh cleaners. These types of cleaners eat away at the leather and the dye. Fabric. Vacuum the chair. Next, use an upholstery brush and spot treat to remove stains. Fill a handheld steam cleaner with water or steam your fabric chair. You can use detergents with some steam cleaners. This will help remove strong odors. Allow the chair to dry thoroughly. Spray the seat with a fabric refresher to complete the deodorizing process. Do not oversaturate the surface with water or other cleaning solutions. This can cause mold and foul odors. Avoid excessive scrubbing as this will set in stains. CORDURA. Soil may be removed with spray cleaner or detergent and water. Oil or grease should first be treated with a dry cleaning solvent, followed by a spray cleaner or detergent and water. Do not use chlorine or bleach-based cleansers. ESD fabric. Clean with water-based cleanser or mild dry cleaning solvent. Do not use products containing bleach. Never use heat. Heat can set stains. Do not saturate the surface with water or other cleaning solutions. Soak up any excess moisture immediately. Casters. First, pull out any large clumps of hair or dirt that are lodged in the wheels. Vacuum the casters using the appropriate attachment or blow out any dirt with compressed air. When the casters are clean, you may use a lubricant such as a WD-40 to ensure wheels move smoothly as possible. This concludes our chair cleaning video. If you have a question not answered, please contact our customer service department at 1-800-892-5563.